It's a new opportunity to discover a new culture, a culture that we really respect a lot.
It's not always the big things you can see, it's always the people doing the work behind the scenes.
Ich glaube, jeder denkt immer, man startet so ein paar Wochen davor, aber eigentlich haben wir im März schon gestartet. Mein Ziel ist es, dass die Spielerinnen nur an Fußball denken können.
Also ich checke immer noch mal die Spielkleidung und das ist das Wichtigste, weil ich sonst nicht schlafen kann.
I think that's the beauty with playing a team sport. We all make each other better. I would only be on 8% if I didn't have these two on my team and also the coaches.
I think it's a lot about mindset, it's about the continuity, and it's about still being hungry. Getting up every morning and have the desire to win trophies and not getting tired of it.
Culture, winning culture, consistency is about daily standards.
Fragen, was ich hätte besser machen können, das ist für mich ganz wichtig. Also, hat das gepasst heute, ja oder nein? Das ist die einzige Frage.
A player comes and goes, but what they bring into the team, into the club, that will stay forever.
When everyone is playing their own instruments, but playing the same song. With the right timing, with the right synchronization, with the right coordination. We have great musicians, but now we need to create an orchestra.
When you see that Hitachi logo, although those are places probably people wouldn't pay attention to, makes me very happy.